Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for smart reviews that help you make informed purchases. Today, we're diving into a storage solution that's earning high marks for practicality, durability, and design. If you're living in a compact space and battling clutter, meet your new best friend, the Ofiray-home over-the-door organizer. This isn't just another hanging shelf, it's the best space-saving furniture for small apartments. Let's start with first impressions. Out of the box, the Ofiray-home organizer comes folded, lightweight, and easy to handle. Within 5 minutes and with no tools required, you've got it hanging and ready to go. Thanks to its 4 sturdy metal hooks, it fits over standard doors with thickness ranging from 1.4 to 1.73 inches, making it adaptable for most homes. Now for the standout feature, the unique 5-tier, 10-compartment design. While most over-the-door organizers offer just 5 sections, this product doubles that, giving you twice the organizational potential. The wider 20-inch frame might seem like a bold move, but it's been designed with door width in mind. It hugs the door snugly without bulging or interfering with opening and closing. And with a capacity of 80 pounds, you can load it up with confidence, no sagging, no tilting. The build quality deserves its own spotlight. Made from durable, breathable, non-woven fabric, it's eco-friendly and odorless. A clear PVC window on each compartment lets you see what's inside instantly, no digging, no guessing. Whether you're storing baby diapers, craft supplies, toiletries, or wardrobe overflow like socks and scarves, this organizer makes finding your stuff simple and fast. And the side pockets, genius. 10 mesh side pockets run along both edges, giving you easy access to smaller items like keys, lotions, hairbrushes, or even flip-flops. Everything has its place, and everything is within reach. Let's talk versatility. Though it's marketed for closets and baby rooms, this organizer adapts well to just about any space. Hang it in the bathroom for towels, in the pantry for snacks and spices, or in the kids' room for toys. It's like adding shelving without drilling a single hole. The beige fabric design is subtle and neutral, fitting seamlessly into most decor styles. The finish is clean, minimal, and modern, perfect for small spaces where every detail counts. To wrap up, the Ofiray-home over-the-door organizer isn't just a smart purchase, it's a daily use game-changer. It's strong, it's spacious, and it's super easy to set up. If your goal is to declutter without adding bulky furniture, this is the ultimate tool in your space-saving arsenal. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive. Got questions about this product or suggestions for what we should review next? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, stay organized and live smart.